Good morning student. Once again welcome in maths class. So today we start our exercise number 3.4. Till 3.3 we have done. So today we do our exercise number 3.4. Here the question number 1 is solve each of the following by adding or subtracting a number. In this question, the question is simple but the way is different how we are doing this one. The question is solve each of the following by adding, otherwise subtracting a number. Let's see how we do. There is the part number A. It's 456 minus 132. Simply we subtract this questions. We do this question. But the question is we add, otherwise we subtract a number from these given numbers. जो ये नंबर दिए हुए हैं इसमें से या तो हमें ऐड करना है या हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Why we are doing this? Because we convert the subtractant, this one, the number which we are subtracting, we convert this your ones place, the ending with 0. Clear? When we convert this ones place by 0, we can easily subtract. Clear student? So what we do? We subtract a number from these given number. That's why we get 0 here. Clear? For example, here is 456 minus 132. So which number we subtract from 2? We get 0 here. We subtract 2. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So first we write in column way, okay, and after that we do this one. 456 minus 2 and 132 minus 2. Clear? Why we are subtracting from both? Because if we not subtract from 456, we get the different answer. Okay? So if we add, if we subtract from the both number, so beta let's see, from 132 when we subtract 2, we get 2 minus 2 equal to 0 and 3 and 1. It means we convert this ones place by 0. Clear? Now subtract. 4 minus 0 equal to 4, 5 minus 3 equal to 2 and 4 minus 1 equal to 3. And do the solution of that one also. 6 minus 2 equal to 4, 5 minus 3 equal to 2 and 4 minus 1 equal to 3. The answer of both solution is same. It means your solution is correct. In the next part, it's 586 minus 212. First we write in column way. After that we see from 212 which number we subtract. We make this one the ones place by 0. So we subtract 2 here. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 1 and 2. It's 210. So we subtract 2 from 586 and from 212. दोनों में से हमें subtract करना है. So 586 minus 2 and 212 minus 2. Let's see the answer which we get. It's 584 and 210. We convert this ending on this digit by 0. Now easily we can subtract. 4 minus 0 equal to 4, 8 minus 1 equal to 7 and 5 minus 3, 2 equal to 3. It's 374. Now do the solution of that one also. 6 minus 2 equal to 4, 7 and 3. It means the solution is correct. In other questions we have done your subtraction like that, but in this question it is given he solve each of the following by adding, otherwise subtracting a number. You add, otherwise you subtract a number from this given number and after that you do the solution. Clear? So we make this ones place convert by 0. Clear all of you? Now the part number C is 8462 and 7670. Clear? So we make this ones place ending by 0. We convert this place by 0. So how we do? Otherwise we subtract here 7, otherwise we add here 3. Clear? How? 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Otherwise 7 minus 7 equal to 0. We are doing addition. By addition we solve this part. Plus 3 and plus 3. We add 3 in both the numbers. So 8462 plus 3, we convert it 8465. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. We add 3 in the ones place here. Now 7617 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. It's 7620. Let's see. It's 7617 plus 3. 7 and 3 10. 1 carry. 1 and 1 2. 6 and 7. Clear? So we convert this one ending by 0. Now do the solution. 5. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Here 4. We take carry here. Borrow 1 from there. 14 minus 6 equal to 8. And 7 minus 7 equal to 0. Now let's see here. Here is 2. So when we subtract, it's 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Here is, now 5 is remaining. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. And 14 minus 6 equal to 8. And now here 7 is remaining. 7 minus 7 equal to 0. The solution of both the given numbers are same. Clear? It means your solution is correct. Simply beta, you convert this one ending by 0. Clear? By adding, otherwise by subtracting. But add or subtract by the same number. Now part number D. 5074 and 3216. So now we convert this one by 0. Clear? So how we do? If we subtract 6, otherwise we add 4. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Here we get 0 now. Clear? So we add 4 in both the number. 5074 plus 4 equal to 78. 5078. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Now 3216 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and 32. Clear? Now do this one also. 8 minus 0 equal to 8. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Now here is 0, here is 2. So here is 4 is remaining and here is 10. 10 minus 2 equal to 8 and 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Clear? Now do the solution of this one also. Here is 4, here is 6. So we borrow here from 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Now here is 74 is remaining. Here is here is 6 is remaining. 6 minus 1 equal to 5 and 10 minus 2 equal to 8 and now here is 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Now the solution of both are same. We are adding 4 here. We add 4 in this one also and we add 4 here also. We are adding here also 3. Clear? By adding, otherwise by subtracting. This is all about your question number 2. Now the question number 2 is subtract the following by using shortcut method first. Shortcut method first is already explained. Like question number 1, we solve this one by adding and or by subtracting. Clear? As a question number 1, we solve the question number 2 as it is of question number 1. 534 minus 121. From 534, we subtract 121 here. Firstly, write in column B. Write the places ones, tens and 100. 534 minus 121. Clear? So, how we do? We convert this one by ending by 0. Clear? So, how we get 0 here? By subtracting 1. If we subtract 1, we get 0 here. 121 minus 1, we get 0 here. So we subtract 1 from 534 and from 121. So 534 minus 1, the number which we get is 533, and 121 minus 1 is 120. Now we get 0 here. Now we can easily solve this one. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. 3 minus 2 equal to 1, and 5 minus 1 equal to 4. The answer is 430. Now check their answer here. 4 minus 1 equal to 3, and 1 and 4. Solution is 430. It means your solution is correct. Now 530 minus 147. Write the places ones, tens and hundred. 530 and 147. Clear? Subtract. So what we do here? Otherwise we subtract 7 or add 3. So we add 3 here. Clear? We are adding 3. If we add 147 plus 3 equal to 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 1 carry, 4 plus 1 equal to 5 and 1. It's 150. We get 0 here now. Clear? So add. Write the places ones, tens and hundred. It's 516 minus 147 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 1 of carry. It's 5 and 1. It's 150. Now you get 0 here. Clear? We converted this ending by 0. Now 6 minus 0 equal to 6. Here is 1, here is 5. 11 minus 5 equal to 6 here. Clear? And 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Now do this one. Here is 3, here is 7. 13 minus 7 equal to 6. 10 minus 4 equal to 6 and 4 minus 1 equal to 3. It means your solution is correct. So in this way we do the question number 2 by adding or by subtracting. Subtract the following by using shortcut method 1. Your method 1 is that subtract, otherwise adding by any number you do the solution as it is your question number 1. Clear all of you? And the part number C and D, here is one more part is there. So you do that part yourself. So now the question number 4 is subtract each of the following by writing the subtractant in the expanded form. It means in this question how we do the solution, the number which we are subtracting here, we are subtracting 25 now. Clear? 25 is smaller and 75 is bigger. So how we do this question? This 25, the number which we are subtracting, firstly we write it in expanded form. Clear? The number which we are subtracting here, we write this number in expanded form, and after that we subtract. So here is 2 step. Okay, I am writing here 2 step for your explanation. Step 1, expand the number to be subtracted. It means the number which we are subtracting here, we write in expanded form. Here 25 is smaller, so we write first in expanded form. 25 equal to 20 plus 5. Clear? You know now how to write in expanded form? It's 20 plus 5. After that, your next step. First subtract 20 and then 5. First we subtract this 20 and after that we subtract 5. So let's see how we do. We are subtracting from 75 now. So we write 75 minus 20. First we subtract 20 and after that we subtract 5. 75 minus 20 equal to 55. Now we get number 55 now. So from 55, now we subtract 5. 75 minus 20 equal to 55 and 55 minus 5 equal to 50. Our answer is 50. You can check your answer also, it is correct or not. 75 minus 25, 5 minus 5 equal to 0, 7 minus 2 equal to 5. The answer is 50. It means our solution is correct. Now here the part number B is Same the part number B is here. Then the question is here in the B part. It's 45 minus 33. Clear? 45 minus 33. So how we do the solution? First we write 33 in expanded form. So expand the number to be subtracted. Which number we are subtracting here? 33. We write 33 in expanded form. How we write 33 in expanded form? 30 plus 3. Clear? Now first subtract 30 and then 5. First we subtract 30 and then 3. Clear? When we write in expanded form, we get 30 plus 3. So first we subtract 30 and after that we subtract 3. So here is 45 minus, first subtract 30. The number which we get, 5 minus 0 equal to 5 and 4 minus 3 equal to 1. We get 15. Now from 15 we subtract 3. Clear? Now the answer 15 minus 3 equal to 12. You can check your answer also. Let's see it is correct or not. 5 minus 3 equal to 2 and 4 minus 3 equal to 1. It means your solution is correct. I think you understand beta. Easily we write this given number, the number which we are subtracting here, by expanded form, and after that you subtract one by one. First we subtract 30. Okay, the answer which we get 15, from this one we subtract the next this one. Clear? So 15 minus 3 equal to 12. That is your part number B. Now part number C is 63 minus 28. Clear? 63 minus 28. Okay. So first we write in expanded form, the smaller number, the number which we are subtracting, we write in expanded form. So 28, how we write? 20 plus 8. Clear? Now second step, first subtract 20 and then 8. Okay. So let's see, 63 minus 20. It's 3 minus 0 equal to 3, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. And now from 43 you subtract 8. Clear? 43 minus 8. The answer which we get, 43 minus 8. 13 minus 8 equal to 5. And here is 3 is remaining. Clear? So the answer is 35. Clear all of you? It is 35 and you can check the answer also, which number you get here. This is all about your question number 4. First write in expanded form and then subtract one by one from the given number. Clear all of you? Okay beta, this is all about your exercise number 3.4. So today only we have done here till question number 1, 2 and that is the question number 3. Okay. Question number 4 is remaining. In your next class I will explain you about the question number 4. So today we only do question number 1 to 3.